Right, so we finished this one in Oakwood. It's a 3 metre by 3 metre. It's actually 3 metres internally square. So we finished the front and this elevation in cedar. We've treated it with a UV stabiliser. We've put on black fascias and soffits, a one-piece rubber roof up there. We've dropped 3 fire-rated downlights in the front. We've also fit these aluminium bifold doors in anthracite grey. Like I said before, we only use the best quality materials on our jobs, and these are the best quality doors you can buy in this country. I'll show you how them open in a minute. On this side, we've fit a window. So one side's a fixed pane, the other side's an opener. We've fit an outside IP rated double socket there as well. We've also fit one on the house free of charge. We've put a security light there, so when it's used in the winter months and in the evening, the light will come on and give you some light when you approach the building. And I will just show you how these doors work. They are one finger operation, as I say, like that. Literally, that's how well these glide. You'll not get better quality doors anywhere in this country. High security, 5-point locking system on there. Like I say, we've got a full opening window there as well. So it's 3 metres square inside, 3 metres that way, 3 metres that way. She's going to use it as an office, a one-person office. But if you look at the size, it's more than big enough for any use, really. I mean, if you've got people sleeping overnight, or if you just want a family room or a TV room, you can see we have fit a selection of sockets around there. There is a 2 kilowatt German digital heater there as well, which will keep her warm in the winter months. Fully insulated with these buildings, fully watertight. We've plaster finished it. John's painted it off in white as well. We've finished that with some skirting boards. We have got 6 fire rated downlights in the ceiling. We've got the modem there, which is connected up to the house Wi-Fi. We've got a USB double socket there as well. And up here we've got our consume unit, which has been certified and tested like it should be. So there's another beautiful little finished office. Like I say, 3 metres square. It's the entry level one really for what we're doing. We can build smaller, but this is where you're going to start off price wise. So that's it. We're really busy at the moment, as you know. The rest of the country's really busy as well. So if you're still interested in one of these, you give me a ring, drop me an email, and we'll see if you can fit you in. Thank you, and I'll see you on the next build.